Hello guys, so today we will be doing our mole concept first part. We have already gone through this in our offline classes, but as a substitute, as always, to our offline classes, we will be continuing making these videos so that whenever you need some revision on any part of such critical chapters like mole concept or any other chapters in physics and mathematics, you can always revise that by going through the videos. And after that, if you cannot understand, well, the experts in Supreet's classes is always there to help you. Okay, so first thing is mole concept. What is mole? What is mole? Mole is basically any number. So if I say this is a chair and this chair is how many number? One number. So mole is, you can consider mole as a number. Okay, so you have to consider mole as a number first. So first thing is, you have to just assume there is something called 1 mole. And remember, this is a number. Okay, so why mole is so important and why it is used widely in chemistry? Because mole is such a junction. It is like Dum-Dum junction in Shialda. When you come from Shialda station towards Barasat or Madhumgram, there is a junction called Dum-Dum junction. Why this junction is very important? Because if you want to go to Shialda from Madhumgram or Barasat, you have to go through Dum-Dum junction. Okay, if you travel by train, of course. If you want to go to Shialda from Shodhpur junction or Shodhpur station, then you have to go through Dum-Dum junction. So this junction is very important. Junction is something which you need to pass through from different direction to reach a particular destination. So to reach Shialda, either from Madhumgram or from Shodhpur, which is a separate line altogether, or from somewhere like your Bali, then you have to go through this junction. That is Dum-Dum junction. Mole is such a junction in chemistry. Okay, mole is such a junction in chemistry. Mole is such a junction in chemistry. So you have to reach any sort of physical parameters in chemistry. You have to go through mole. So that is why the chapter's first name, obviously the total name is mole concept and stoichiometry. The first name is mole concept. And if your mole concept is true, the total physical chemistry part in 11th also, I am saying 11th, 12th is also true. If your mole concept is true. So we will limit our discussion to up to class 10th mole concept. Certain parts of class 11th and IIT JEE mains में भी कुछ question पूछा जाता है. We will also discuss those things, and so that your mole concept is completely crystal clear. So let us again go to the subject. It is mole. What is mole? Now what are the physical parameters that are very important in case of stoichiometry or chemical calculation? Number one is number of particles. This can be atoms, molecules, electrons, protons, neutrons, or potato, tomato, everything you can calculate by this concept. I will show you how. Although potato and tomato will not come in chemistry, so up till this it will be a part of your chemistry, obviously. So if I say you 1 mole of chalks, that means there is certain number of chalks. So I will go into it. So number one physical parameter that is important is number of particles. Number two is weight of the substance. Okay? Number two is weight of the substance. What is number three? Number three is volume. So suppose, let's take an example. Suppose let us take, 1 mole of oxygen gas. Okay, 1 mole of oxygen gas, and somebody asks you to find out what is the number of oxygen molecules in it. So remember, when I consider transferring moles to number of particles, any number, then 1 mole is always equal to Avogadro's number. This is denoted by N subscript capital A, and the value of it is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Quite big, right? Quite big. So 1 mole of any substance is equal to this number of particles. So 1 mole of chalks is equal to 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of particles. Clear? Okay. We'll go very slow. Don't have to worry. You will understand everything. So let us first go deep into this number of particles part. Then obviously we'll go to weight and volume part also. So number of particles part is Na. So 1 mole will take oxygen now. So let us take oxygen. 1 mole O2. Then how many number of molecules of oxygen is there? 1 mole O2 means how many O2 is there? That is molecule of oxygen. So how many number of molecules of oxygen is there in 1 mole O2? In 1 mole O2 there is Avogadro's number of molecules of oxygen. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 O2 molecules. Okay? Now suppose somebody asks you 1 mole of oxygen, how many number of atoms? First you have calculated how many number of molecules are there. Now it is crystal easy to calculate the number of atoms. In 1 molecule of oxygen, how many number of atoms are there? Remember, 1 molecule of oxygen means O2, means 2O. So number of atoms is 2O atoms. That means 2 oxygen atoms. So 1 mole of oxygen is Avogadro's number, that is 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 number of molecules of oxygen. So how many number of atoms will be there? Each molecule of oxygen has 2 oxygen atoms. So this much amount of oxygen molecule will have 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Correct? Easy, huh? Okay, but the job is still not done. I will go deep into it. Now somebody asks you how many number of electrons are there in 1 mole of oxygen. 1 mole of oxygen, how many number of atoms? 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Correct? Now, it has been asked how many number of electrons are there. In 1 oxygen atom, how many number of electrons are there? 8 electrons, right? In 1 oxygen atom, there are 8 electrons. So, we have this many number of oxygen atoms. So, how many number of electrons will be there? Is 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into this much amount of atoms are there. In 1 atom there is 8 electrons. So in this much amount of atoms into 8 electrons. If somebody asks you proton, how many number of protons is there in 1 atom of oxygen? 2 into 6.023 into 23 number of number of atoms of oxygen is there. How many number of atoms are there? How many number of electrons are there? In 1 atom of oxygen, 8. We have already multiplied. Now we are coming to proton. So how many number of protons are there in 1 atom of oxygen? 8 again. Proton. How many number of neutrons are there in 1 atom of oxygen? 8 again. Atoms done, molecules done, electron done, proton done, neutron done. Job sealed and done. Okay, I hope you understood how to calculate the number of particles. Okay? इसको मिटाएंगे अभी. Okay, so let us go into a little deeper. Suppose somebody has said you to calculate 2 moles of H2. So can you calculate what is the number of say electrons in 2 moles of H2? So first what you will have to do, in 1 mole of H2 there is Avogadro's number of molecules of H2, right? So in 2 moles, how many? I am writing Na, okay? This much molecules. Okay? Now, how many atoms? 2 into Na. In 1 molecule of H2, there are 2 hydrogen atoms. So into 2 atoms. In 1 hydrogen atom, how many electrons is there? Hydrogen has one electron, right? So there is only one electron. So 2 into Na into 2 into 1 electron. Job filled and done. Okay? So this is how you will calculate the number of particles, number of atoms, number of electrons, number of protons and number of neutrons. Can you calculate how many number of neutrons are there in hydrogen? In 2 moles of hydrogen? In one hydrogen atom, how many number of neutrons is there? 0. So whatever may be the moles, number of neutrons in hydrogen is always 0. Okay? In protium, not in deuterium and tritium. Okay? So we have already gone through about the number part. Now we come to the weight part. Now this weight part is very important. There are many intricacies to it. Each and every one I will explain to you. So see, suppose here is 1 mole. 1 mole means how many number of molecules? You already know Avogadro's number of molecules. Okay. Suppose we take we take oxygen. So oxygen has n number of O2 molecules. Correct? Now I have to calculate 1 mole of oxygen's mass. So obviously I have to, whatever the weight of one molecule is, I have to multiply by n. You can say me directly, sir, it is 32 grams. 16 plus 16, mass number 32, 32, it is 32 grams. Wrong. That is not correct. Absolutely wrong. Understand this. One atom of, see, I'll do it. One atom of oxygen has 8 proton, 8 neutron, 8 electron. While you are calculating mass, remember, electron is not required, its mass is negligible. You have to calculate only the mass of proton and neutron. Okay? So each molecule, we are talking about molecule over here, I have written atoms. So each molecule will have 16 proton and 16 neutron. And proton and neutron have more or less same mass. So Na 16 proton plus 16 neutron. Na I am writing 32 proton or neutron. Because their mass is almost same. Na, what is the mass of proton or neutron? 32 into 1.67. Each, you can go through your physics or chemistry books, class 9. 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay? Each proton or neutron has this mass. Okay? Now I will write the value of Na. 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 into 32 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram, and this will be the weight of 1 O2 mole. Okay? Molecular weight of O2. Now if you multiply this and this is approximately 10, and obviously if you multiply 10 to the power 23 you will 10 to the power minus 24, you will get 10 to the power minus 1. So 10 into 10 to the power minus 1. Cancel out and you will be left with 32. And that is why the molecular mass of O2 is 32 gram, which we call as molecular weight. So this is concept. Oh, that is not concept by 16 mass number है, 16 plus 16 कर दिया 32 हो गया. That is not concept. ठीक है? That is not concept. This is concept. I have calculated. You have to calculate. Otherwise, do not say that molecular weight is mass number उसका कितना है ऑक्सीजन का 16. So दो ऑक्सीजन का एक मॉलिक्यूल का 16 plus 16 32 ग्राम हो गया. ग्राम बैठा दिया. अरे भाई वो AMU यूनिट में है. AMU 1 AMU is equal to 1.66 into 10 to the power minus 24 ग्राम. लिखा हुआ था फिजिक्स बुक में, मेजरमेंट चैप्टर. केमिस्ट्री में भी लिखा हुआ था एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर. ठीक है? सो दिस इज कॉन्सेप्ट एंड दिस यू हैव टू नो. If somebody asks you that, right, after you do such kind of thing, foolish thing, somebody may ask you, one atom mass of oxygen is 16 16 grams, sir, and 1 mole oxygen mass, O atom mass or oxygen molecule mass is also 32 gram and 1 molecule is also 32 gram according to mass number concept. Both are 32. How it is? Both are 32, भाई? नहीं हो सकता. For 2 atoms, that is for 1 molecule, this O2, it is 32 AMU. And for molecular weight, we are calculating the mass of total mole. I have multiplied with Na, right? Noted down, right? I have multiplied with Na. So total moles you have calculated. पूरा 1 मोल का मास निकाला है, तब आता है molecular weight. So 1 मोल का मास आता है आपका molecular weight. ठीक है? So suppose आपने लिया, you took 1 mole of N2, that is 14 gram. ठीक है? That is 14 gram. Now, why this molecular weight and mole we are studying? Because if you see, 1 mole of N2 is 14 gram. 2 mole of N2, 28 gram. 3 mole of N2, 3 into 14, 42 gram. And it continues to increase. Now, if you see this, then what it is happening? You are multiplying 3 with 14 and you are getting 42. Then what is 3? Number of moles. What is 14? Molecular weight. What is 42? Weight. So you are getting some formula over here. You are getting N into molecular weight is equal to weight. That means N is equal to weight by molecular weight. Correct? So whenever some weight is given to you, you can calculate weight by molecular weight, number of moles. So remember, number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. ठीक है? Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. Just beforehand we have studied that number of moles is equal to Avogadro's number. So we can also write number of moles is equal to, if some number of particle is given, say Avogadro's number, that also will give you number of moles. Why? Let us see. If there is 1 mole, then how many number of molecules is there? Na, right? 2 mole, 2 Na, 3 mole, 3 Na. So if you see, I have multiplied 3 into Na and I have got particles. So I can write this 3 is number of moles, that is N. N into Na is equal to particles. So what I have written over here? N is equal to number of particles by mole, particles by Na, right? N is equal to number of particles by Na. That's what I have written. So you have got 2 formulas over here. One is, you calculate if some weight is given, number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. Another one, number of moles is equal to particles by Avogadro's number. Now this particle may be atom, may be molecule, may be electron, may be proton, anything. ठीक है? 1 mole electron भी हो सकता है. It is not that it has to be 1 mole of sodium or 1 mole of oxygen. It may be 1 mole of electrons also. इसको रब करते हैं. Now sometimes 1 mole is also called 1 gram mole. हाँ? ये आप नोट डाउन कीजिए. 1 mole is also called 1 gram mole. Suppose somebody said you 1 mole of O2. That means Na number of molecules of O2. ठीक है? Somebody says you 1 mole of oxygen. That means Na number of molecules of oxygen. Because oxygen stays as molecule and not atom. If somebody says you 1 mole of oxygen atom, then Na number of oxygen atom is there. Okay? Not molecules. If this is mentioned, then it is Na number of oxygen. If somebody says you 1 gram mole of oxygen, then also it is Na number of oxygen molecules. ठीक है? If it is said oxygen then you will take Na number of oxygen atoms. Na means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. Okay? Okay. So let us directly go into some problems right now. Our first problem is calculate number of moles in 1.2 gram carbon. ठीक है? That is your first problem. Actually, it is said number of अच्छा थोड़ा complicate बनाते हैं. Number of atoms. ठीक है? So see, as I have said, mole is a number and mole is also a junction. So let us see what junction does mole from over here. Here what is given to you? Weight is given to you. Weight. Okay, and what you have to calculate? Atoms. In carbon, carbon is not a molecule, right? It doesn't form C2. Carbon is carbon, one carbon. So you did not consider any molecules over here. So from weight, you have to go into one junction that is called mole. And from there, you can go easily to atoms. How? So first thing is you have to calculate atoms of carbon. For atoms of carbon, you need to know what is the number of moles. So if the number of moles, whatever it is, say it is X. Okay. So from number of moles, you have to go to atoms. How do you do that? 1 mole is equal to how many atoms? How many particles? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. That is Na. So if there is X, then it will be multiplied by Na and you will get the number of atoms. Okay? But you don't know what is number of moles, but you know the weight. And you know the atomic weight of carbon also. How much it is? 12. Okay? So from weight, you have to go to moles. What is the formula? Number of moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. What is weight? 1.2 gram. And what is molecular weight? 12. So 0.1 mole is there. Okay? Now you have to calculate atom. You have to multiply by, because 1 atom, 1 mole, 6.023 to 10 to the power 23 atoms. So this much amount of mole will be 0.1 mole will be 0.1 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms. Easy? So it will be 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 atoms. ठीक है? आंसर आ गया? So see how easy it is. This is nothing. Okay? Nothing. Almost nothing. Next problem. Number of atoms in 1.8 gram of water. Now this is a little tricky one. Again, what is given? Weight. So first thing is you have to calculate the number of moles. I have to go to the junction first. So what is number of moles? Weight by molecular weight. What is the molecular weight of water? 2 into 1, 2 plus 16, so 18. So 1.8 by 18, that is 0.1 mole again. Now it has said atom. Now water is not a single atom, right? Water is a molecule. So first you have to find out the molecules. So 1 mole is equal to Na molecules. Here we have 0.1 mole. So that will be equal to 0.1 into Na molecules. Right? So 0.1 into Na molecules of water is there. So in one water molecule, how many atoms are there? 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So number of atoms is 3 total. Okay? So number of atoms will be number of molecules into 3, correct? So number of molecules is 0.1 into Na into 3. So 0.3 Na. Now you can obviously write down 6.02 into 10 to the power 23 and you can multiply to get a good number over here. Okay? So these are the kind of problems that will be getting asked in various examinations. we'll do. Okay. What mass of calcium will have same number of atoms as 3.2 gram of sulfur. How will you do it? What mass of calcium will have same number of atoms as 3.2 grams of sulfur? So see, simple. What is given to you? 3.2 gram of sulfur. Weight. What is the atomic weight of sulfur? 32. So obviously you can calculate the number of moles. 3.2 by 32 again is 0.1. Right? 0.1 moles. Okay. So how many number of atoms will be there? 0.1 into A. Now it has been said to calculate what will be the mass of calcium. That will have same number of atoms. See, you do not know what is the mass of calcium. So let's take mass of calcium is equal to A. Then what is the number of moles of calcium? Mass by atomic weight. Calcium atomic weight is 40. Okay? So this is the number of moles. Okay? So next, number of atoms of calcium. If this is the number of moles, what will be the atom of calcium? M by 40 into Na atoms. Now it is said this has to be equal to this same number of atoms. Okay? So according to the question, I can write 0.1 Na is equal to M by 40 into Na cancels out and M becomes 4, right? 40 into 0.1, 4 gram. Okay? See, the basic concept what I have used is junction. Junction is mole. Remember it. In every problem, the junction will be mole in chemistry mole concept as we show it. रब करते हैं. Okay, let us now recapitulate once again. If there is moles, you have to transfer it to molecules or atoms or particles. You have to multiply by Avogadro's number. You have to bring it back. You have to divide by Avogadro's number. You have to go to weight, multiply by molecular weight. You have to come from weight to moles, divide by molecular weight. Simple calculations. Okay. Now another thing is their volume, which I have not yet completed. Remember, the volume, from moles to volume, if you want to go, you will have to multiply with 22.4 liters. You will get the volume in liters. Okay. Some other units you can use, you can change this. Okay. So liters to cc into 1000. Now, if you see, this volume thing is a little tricky. This molecular weight thing is applicable for solid, liquid and gas. But this volume one is only applicable for gas and this is only first applicable for gases and nothing else. And also, this 22.4 liter value is only applicable at STP. What is STP? 0 degree Celsius, 1 atmosphere pressure. Okay, this is STP. If you want to go, and this is called molar volume, okay, this is called molar volume. If you want to go from volume to moles, क्या करना है? You have to divide by 22.4. Simple liters. In that case, volume has to be in liters. Okay. So somebody asks you that what is the molar volume? So in different units, sometimes it makes some problem. So molar volume in different units, I am writing it down. Note it down here. If you want, you can remember this. 22.4 liters. Sometimes it is given in decimeter cube. In that case, it is 22.4 dn cube. Dn cube and liter is same. Okay, so you don't have to do any further calculations. In case of cc, sometimes cc means centimeter cube or milliliter. Okay, 22400 centimeter cube or cc. Okay, or cc भी बोलता है कभी कभी. And 22400 milliliter. This is also same. Okay. So now you have the complete idea of mole concept. See, this chart gives you the complete mole concept of class 10 and even class 11th. Complete mole concept. Any problem on mole concept, if you apply this concepts very clearly, you will face no problems. So every problem will comes to you, you will say no problem, sir. Okay, that's what I want. You go into the concepts of these moles so well, so that your physical chemistry not only in class 10 but also in 11th and 12th becomes super strong. That's what I want. Okay, because calculations gives you so many, what you say, so much excitement when you do calculations, right? Everything को तो जो याद रखने वाला चीज है वो तो सब कर लेगा, लेकिन इसमें थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, ठीक है? केमिस्ट्री में इसमें थोड़ा लोगों को प्रॉब्लम हो जाता है, उसमें तुमको प्रॉब्लम नहीं आना चाहिए. बिकॉज माई फिलोसॉफी इज, do not give answer to that question which everyone else knows in the class, because it gives you a lot of satisfaction to give answer to one single question that everyone else misses. And your knowledge should be for your satisfaction, not always for money or marks, right? Your knowledge should be for your satisfaction. Okay, चलो फिलोसॉफी छाड़ दिया बहुत. और प्रॉब्लम करते हैं. We'll do more and more problems. Next is, okay, let us do this one. Volume occupied by 2.2 gram CO2 at STP. See, this STP is given because this volume you have to calculate. Otherwise, STP wouldn't have been given. You have to calculate volume, so STP is given. Even if it was not given, then also you can calculate by using gas law. But okay, this is an easy problem. So how you do it? How you will do it? Remember, the junction is mole. What is given? Weight 2.2 gram. कहाँ पे लेके जाना है? मोल में. N is equal to W by molecular weight. What is molecular weight of CO2? इसका 12, इसका 32, right? 16 into 2. So total आ जाएगा आपका कितना? 44. 2.2 by 44. Point हटाओ, 0 लगाओ. 2, 1 by 20. कितना आता है 1 by 20? 0.05 मोल्स. हो गया मोल्स. जंक्शन में आ गए, दमदम जंक्शन में. ठीक है? We have come to दमदम जंक्शन. Now what will do? What I need? Volume. बोला था ना? Whatever is given, आंख बंद करके first you have to do convert it to moles. After that you will see what is the question. Volume is given. From moles you have to convert to volume. What do you do at STP? Number of moles is 0.05 moles. So what is volume at STP? Remember, carbon dioxide is a gas. That is why you can multiply 22.4 0.05 into 12, I guess, right? Liters. ठीक है? You have to calculate moles. उसके बाद मोल्स निकालते जाओ, आंसर लगाते जाओ. ठीक है? नेक्स्ट और करते हैं. चलो. So interesting chapter, huh? Chemistry का very interesting chapter. Okay, what I'll take? Number of oxygen atoms in 0.2 mole of Na2CO3 dot 10H2O. No? Washing soda. देखते हैं. So first of all you write what is the formula very clearly. इसमें थोड़ा ठीक से दिख नहीं रहा है. 10H2O. Now 0.2 मोल. तो मोल तो निकालना नहीं है. ऑलरेडी दमदम में अभी बोल रहा है चल चलो. ठीक है, चले जाएंगे. क्या है? Okay. So 0.2 mole. You have to calculate atom. ठीक है? तो first you have to go to molecules. After that you will see what is atom. 0.2 moles means 0.2 into Na molecules. So 0.2 into Na molecules. In each molecule, how many oxygen atoms are there? 3 plus how many? 10. So total 13 into 13 atoms. जंक्शन में आगे आंसर लगाते जाओ. So this is 0.26 2.68. So Na का वैल्यू बैठाओ और आप निकालो कितना एटम है. ठीक है? ये मैं कैलकुलेशन नहीं करूंगा, बहुत बड़ा है. नेक्स्ट करते हैं, इजी प्रॉब्लम है। Calculate mass of one atom of hydrogen. How do you calculate? So first of all, what is the atomic mass of one atom of oxygen? Means what is the atomic mass of oxygen? So you know atomic mass of oxygen or hydrogen is atomic mass. So एक atom का 1 gram. So how many number of atoms are there in one atom of oxygen? 1 gram of oxygen. Sorry, again, hydrogen. 1 gram 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are there in 1 gram, ठीक है, of hydrogen. 1 atom of hydrogen how much mass then? 1 by 6.023 into ऊपर उठा देते हैं 10 to the minus 23. So the 1 by 6 will be around 0.16 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. So this is the mass of one atom of hydrogen. Clear? देखो concept ठीक होना चाहिए. 1 gram hydrogen means 1 atom का जो molecular weight है, that is atomic weight. Atomic weight में आपका कितना number of atoms रहता है? How many number of atoms are there in the atomic weight of the 1 gram? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms are there in 1 gram of hydrogen. So 1 atom of hydrogen will be there. Then how much mass? Just unitary method. निकाल दो. ठीक है? Mass of one molecule of NH3. How do you calculate? Mass molecular weight how much? 17 gram. ठीक है ना? 14 इसका 3 तो आ गया 17. 14 उसका 3 आ गया 17. So how many molecules are there in 1 mole? In 17 gram. 1 mole means molecular weight. So in 17 gram how many molecules are there in NH3? 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 in 17 gram. So 1 gram में 17 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. कैलकुलेट करो आंसर निकालो. ठीक है? इजी प्रॉब्लम भाई, सब इजी प्रॉब्लम. Every problem over here is easy. वो concept. एक बार concept clear तो सब easy. Hydrogen atoms, H atoms in 196 gram of H2SO4. क्या? What is given? Weight. कहाँ पे जाना है? Junction और junction. कौन सा junction? What is junction? Mole. Weight is given. Mole निकालना. Molecular weight. How much? 196. Molecular weight of H2SO4 98. 2 moles हो गया. After that, you have to calculate atoms. But first, molecules, then atoms. So, molecules, how much? 2 moles into Na. Okay? Then atoms. What atoms? Hydrogen atoms. एक molecule में, ये तो total number of molecules है. एक molecule में कितना hydrogen atom? 2 hydrogen atom. So, atoms will be equal to 2 into Na. हो गया. So understood how you have to calculate? थोड़ा different type of problem करते हैं, जो easy types है और भी easy. Okay, which will weight the most? 1 mole H2O, 1 mole CO2, 1 mole NH3. देखो, what does NH3 means and 1 mole में 1 mole means molecular weight, simple. So 1 mole से हमको इसका weight निकालना है. So whenever you have to move from moles to weight, you have to multiply with the molecular weight. Now this molecular weight is 17 gram. So this will be 17 gram. This will be 44 gram. And this will be 18 gram. So which is weighting the most? 1 mole CO2. ठीक है? Easy problem again. Okay. 5.6 liter of a gas at STP weighs 12 gram. Find molecular weight. Okay. Find molecular weight. So, see what is given to you first. You don't have to worry. It's a very easy problem. What is given? I know you have to calculate molecular weight which you used up till now. Given to you is liters STP. ठीक है? 5.6 liter STP. See, and what is given? Weight. So in both the cases, you know you have to go to the junction. Either you go from volume or you go from weight. But from weight you cannot go because you do not know molecular weight. But from volume you can go. So N is equal to volume by molar volume at STP. So what is volume over here? 5.6. And what is molar volume? 22.4. Pull out 4. So that is 0.25 moles. Okay? So now you know moles and you know the weight. You have to calculate molecular weight. Let's see if you can calculate or not. You know moles is equal to weight by molecular weight. You know the mole. You know the weight. Obviously you can calculate molecular weight. I don't have to calculate for that, right? You can calculate. ये भी कर लोगे आप. वेट करते हैं. करिए कैलकुलेट. इसका आंसर आएगा आपका जो बुक में दिया हुआ है. I do not know the actual answer. 47.6 gram. ठीक है? The last problem का आंसर है 47.6 gram. See if it comes. It's easy calculation anyways. Next one is, let's do the last problem of mole concept today. 7.1 gram chlorine. You have to calculate the volume occupied at STP. Go to the Young chart, that is mole. How will you do? Mass by molecular mass. Molecular mass of chlorine is 71. So again 0.1 mole. Then you have to go to volume into 22.4. So इसके साथ 22.4 मल्टीप्लाई करने में 2.24 liters हो गया. चलो. So hope you have understood this first part very well. So solve all the problems given in your respective textbooks. Later on we will release more videos on mole concept so that our library becomes strong. Anytime you can refer to them and you can recapitulate your thinking. Thank you very much.